Pakuluan na yung bulalo, malambot na.
How do we enter? Just go through the cones? Okay, then we have to get a search from a canine.
Our parking.
B1, BM, B2, B3, B4. But building. Why? There's four sections of this place. Wait.
Teka, meron naman tayong video dito.
No shot. 4 parts of this building.
Audio din to eh. First timer.
Look at these cars, bro. Rich people car, actually. It's all vegan. It's all vegan. It smells like the spray na ginagamit at home for the bed. It smells like that. Oh my gosh.
So where?
That's the lobby. Bro, press the sign. That's oh man, dude, this is such a fancy outfit, bro. I can't handle it. Okay. Yeah.
Saan tayo?
Floor 2.
The parking. So from the parking, magko-connecting bridge tayo. Ayun yung pinaka lobby. And then dito tayo pumasok kanina. That's HSBC and Transnational Divers Emirate. And there, lapit na siya.
So pag napasok na natin itong stuff, let's go ahead. So may cafe dun sa likod. It's actually really big.
$35.03. O2 corner.
Alright guys, so here, finally in our room. So why don't we start our little room tour, okay? So this is the bathroom. There's me. Hello. Here's the sink. Oh, there's tissues here. Very mindful, very demure. Oh, and they have a bathtub here as well. Very nice. They have a rope for you, and they have a telephone here just in case of any emergencies. Have a bidet, and they have this. You bathe in here. I forgot my English for a second. Let's go out. Let's go out. Oh, there's lights. Ah, yes, there are many lights in here. Yes, there's lights in here. They have some supplementaries. Toothbrush. What else I got? Maybe you can't pull that.
Okay.
It's for hair dryer.
Then,
Oh, they have a shower. Yeah, that's. I only remember just now. What do you call it? Shower.
and then yung
Yeah, you open the door and you can sit in there as well.
it's hindi ko alam kung paano basahin kasi
What does it say?
pamayaman siya.
L'Occitane.
Thank you for calling L'Occitane. This is Colton. How may I assist your call?
Team meeting. How do you pronounce our name?
I think it's L'Occitane.
L'Occitane.
It's actually L'Occitane. You try.
L'Occitane?
L'Occitane.
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 Perfect.
You know this yellow store has a name, right? It's actually not that hard to say. Look, it's L'Occitane.
L'Occitane.
There.
All right, now go out and we see the main attraction. Oh wow, here is Mr. Razon.
Hello, Mr. David Tan. 2 milyon.
I don't know what call he's
2
on,
milyon munggo.
but it's
Munggo.
about money. It seems it's related about money.
And kita yung Wells Fargo dito.
So, yung
We have really fancy water. Some is
yung
still.
water nila, wala dito sa list. So, malamang, ano to,
Free.
complimentary.
Yeah.
Compliment call.
Also with the Nespresso.
Oh, they even have the coffee pods, right? Those are coffee
Coffee
pods.
pods, Nespresso. Wala din dun sa list. So, meaning, that's free.
That's free as well.
And then,
That's a compliment.
Compliment.
That's a compliment from them.
ano
Nice.
to? Parang ano,
Yeah, some paperwork.
may fee yan.
Okay, guys. So there's also a desk here. You know, if you have work, you want to work here, you know, or you know, have paperwork. The bed, king size bed, it's very big. It's fairly huge. But here, however,
You have your TV. No.
this is the best part of the room.
We're
Oh yeah, I
facing Makati.
also forgot to mention the TV, but
Fortunately, we're facing Makati, not the BGC side.
yeah.
So may event, wala pang available doon sa part na yon. Nag-early check-in daw tayo, so okay lang din.
I'm pretty sure that's Makati side over there.
Yeah, Guadalupe, there's the bridge. Oh.
Yeah, so if you guys, I'll zoom in here. If you guys can see that bridge right there, I'm pretty sure that's Guadalupe. All right. So we zoom back out. Sorry, guys. All right. So here we have it. This is a good view for a really good room.
And then,
It's awesome. Oh, going back here. What do we have? We have a safe.
safe.
It seems.
Hindi.
Oh, it's a refrigerator.
Mini bar.
It's a mini ref.
Bar.
Maybe the same is on the other side.
And then, this one.
There's a cabinet. Oh, I see sweets. I see sweets down there. There's sweets on the next floor. Look at it. There's a complimentary
May prices
Snickers and
siya.
M&M's.
Oh, it's not free.
No, it's not free.
Oh, okay.
And then,
We have even bigger chips and nuts and kettle.
electric kettle. And then, this one's the safe.
Oh, that's the safe. Yeah.
Safe ba yan?
Is it safe?
Not so safe.
I'm not that sure. And oh, we have wow, we have iron. It's ironing your clothes.
Board.
Ironing board. This is very cool.
board.
You can just pull it out and start ironing your clothes. You know, let's see. Alright, let's check out this one. Yeah. Closet. Got some flip flops, some sandals. Use those for wherever you need. Extra storage. And another closet.
Another room.
Another robe here. There's another robe in the bathroom, but there's a robe here.
Pero since 3 yung naka-reserve sa atin, let's check if dadagdagan nila yung mga ano. Tawag ko na.
Here's our TV. It's a nice TV. It's currently 11:47 a.m. Even their TV menu has sounds. Isn't that fancy, right, guys? And here is our 2 excellent toys relaxing over here near the view. They're basking in it. So yeah, there you have it, guys. There's our room. That's everything. Let's appreciate the view one last time.
Hi, good morning po. Ma'am, ask ko lang po, yung sa mga...
Welcome home.
Totoo na to.
Totoo na to. Mas maganda?
Yes.
Ganda ba?
Yes.
Ay, that's perfect.
Oh, we have a view of you.
The event.
The pool,
Yes.
Okay, but meron ako. There's something new sa
Yes po.
gitna.
Okay.
You see that?
Mm.
Oh, ayan, bawi ako sa inyo.
That's the pool right there.
Oo.
So, yung veggie,
That's the pool right there.
We'll have it set up na lang. So,
I'm getting high. JP
ikat
Morgan
mo
katabi
lahat
natin.
Sige po.
So, Chase naman nung katabi natin.
Pasensya na.
Thanks.
Nag-room transfer pa kayo.
It's okay po.
No worries.
Salamat po.
Oo, I'm here until 5:30, so let me know if ever you need anything.
Ay,
Okay?
sige, ma'am, guys.
Sige po. May celebrate pa kayo any special occasion?
Yun lang po kasi nga nag-top performer siya sa work, kaya
Sige.
inaano na namin.
As a small something.
Best way po papuntang papunta doon. Best way. Ay, thank you. Best way papunta doon sa
One Central Mall.
High Street.
Ano po?
Okay, so nandito tayo sa 6th floor sa Kalimantan ng Manila.
Mas mabilis daw tong way na to. Sabi ni Ma'am,
Ma'am Lalaine.
Lane.
Kasi pupunta tayo ng One Central Mall. One Central ba yun? Bonifacio High Street Mall. Kain muna tayo ng lunch. So let's see kung ano yung bubukas. Ito ba or ito? Ito.
Ayun.
Okay. Ito pala eh.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah. So ito na yun.
Pero may sabi niya.
Dito yung labas.
Sitio. Yun o, nakapila na. So, malatang muna si YB. Kami malasyang. Magdadry muna kami ngayon. Kasi lagi kami malatang. Pero, ito yung paborito namin pagkain. Malatang. Murugame. Kawa ramen. Yung tatlong yun. Yan natin ang wala pang titula. Kain na tayo guys. So, sang malatang, sang malasyanggo. Try naman tayo ngayon kasi madalas lagi naman natin kinakain malatang. Kasi yung favorite nating drinks. Ano ito? Underground? Hindi. So yung kainan dito sa baba. Food district.
So, buy daw muna sila ng nila, drinks, bago makyat ulit.
Yun, may event po dito. Pabalik na kami sa sa hotel namin. Yes. Pabalik namin sa hotel namin. Yes. Sa Siang. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Ayun yung natin. Times Square, parang New York Times Square. Let's go. May event. Ayun, Central Square. Bago yun eh. Yep. Okay, vlog din. Nakapag-vlog ulit.
Also vlogging, so we're double vlogging right now. You guys are gonna see two POVs.
Yep.
Maybe separated from...
Alright, so bumili lang, hindi, actually lumabas lang tayo. Nag-lunch tayo. And then, bumili lang sila ng konting drinks nila doon sa may Central Square. Merong marketplace din sa baba ng Central Square. So, doon na kami bumili. And then, papasok na ulit kami ng Siang. Kanina kasi, diba, from parking, doon tayo pumasok. Pero this time, dito naman sa... Sorry. Thank you. Dito naman sa side ng Gentleman's Store. So again, dun tayo sa side ng Gentleman's Store pumasok sa may percent Arabica na coffee.
Anong gentle? Anong gentle?
Business women and men dito.
Alin?
Tayo kain sa parking.
Kanina, galing tayo ng parking doon. Kanina galing tayo ng parking. Diyan tayo lumabas, dito banda. So this time, pasok ulit tayo pag ganun. And then, cute to. So again, dito tayo papasok. Yan. Yung connecting bridge from ayun yung papasok ng lobby. And then dito sa side na to is yung sa may Mercury Drive. So ayun, paglabas mo ng connecting bridge na yon or walkway, dito na ulit sa lobby ng hotel. There. Good afternoon. Daddy, coffee muna tayo. And then, buy tayo ng coffee dito sa bakehouse.
Bakehouse. I like that. Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yun. Tayo sa cappuccino. Balik na tayo sa room. Makabili na tayo ng pang-shot mamaya, pang patulog. Muna tayo para makapag-swimming later. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Stop. Tap mo muna ito.
Then dito.
Alright. That's it. There you go. Woohoo! Yun.
Come in.
Okay.
Alright, so I think we need to explain. Kasi kanina, dun sa room namin, hindi pala kasya yung pang third na rollover na bed. Kasi nga, di ba, pina-add namin si Red, si Little Red. So, we have to transfer to a different room with a different view. Nakuha mo na yung view. Ano yung view natin kanina? View of
Makati.
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 Ito, anong view?
Rizal. Rizal na yan. Antipolo.
We have a view of the pool here. Doon. Mag-pool tayo later. Mga sunset na para maganda. Doon tayo galing, oh.
Yun yung malaking screen.
Ayun na, doon tayo galing sa may Zara. Yan. Doon tayo nag-lunch. So there. Ito yung additional na bed.
Tabi natin ng Chase.
For Little Red. Actually, kasya naman kami dito sa parang feeling ko king size na rin ito. Kasya kami dito. But then,
Wow, relax.
siyempre, nag-take
Sino ka
kami
dyan?
for additional So, we have to ask for this one. Yeah. Then, ang naiba is yung CR. Sliding siya, oh. Sliding. Oh, sorry. And then, you have to, press. And then, yun. Ilaw na siya lahat. And then, we have the hair dryer. And then, Iba yung sa taas.
Yung taas.
Kasi kanina di ba nasa 38 tayo. Ngayon nasa 85 na lang tayo. So siguro let's settle muna, pahinga, and then later nga punta tayo dun sa pool. Mamayang mga ano. Anak ko.
Tayabang.
Santok na ako eh. Kita-kita tayo mamayang hapon.
Yung sa akin. Parang gusto mo pa rin kunin yun ah. Food trip siya. Hindi. Nanonood siya.
What?
Nanonood. Cellphone. Ayun naman ng unggoy. Natutulog na unggoy sa kaling baboy.
Sarap patulog lang buong maghapon magdamag. Sarap na ulo ko kasi.
Sus. Balot na balot. Ang bata. Ano yung bata? Ano pinapanood? SpongeBob.
It's the only good thing left to do. It's awesome.
Yan nga guys. So, natulog kami. Mulan na guys. Nagtatakbuhan na yung mga tao dun.
We have a top view of the rain here.
Saka pansin mo, lakas ng hangin. Yung mga trees, so.
Yeah, hangin yung mga puno. So
Nahangin sila.
it's getting very noticeable.
Yun yung ano na sa Fifth Avenue. Yung kino-close nila yung during weekends. Kino-close yung daan. Tapos
There.
yung mga activity dyan.
Yeah, in the middle, right there. That's the middle right there.
Yung parang Times Square natin. May
That's what
malaking
you guys see.
monitor.
You guys see the 3 billboard right here. That's the center of the street.
Yung lakas ng hangin na.
Where we ate was just there was an elevator. You guys see on the camera. There's an elevator around inside of there.
Escalator.
Yeah, I mean an escalator. Sorry, we went down, then we ate. I think we have footage of that.
Sa may Zara.
Yeah.
Doon papuntang
Market.
Market.
Okay.
Doon ng landmark.
In the morning, in the afternoon, you could actually
Amex.
You could actually see the roof of Market. It's like somewhere around over there, but you can only see it if it's like morning, if it's like daylight. It's actually noticeable to see the roof of Market. It's like right around here somewhere.
Yep. And then yun yung high street. So walkable yan.
Yep. You guys see the red lights over here? That's the traffic.
Because close nga yung
That's gonna go towards
yung
Funhan.
Fifth Avenue.
Yung Korean, yung Funhan na food. And obviously, yung neighbor natin,
Chase,
JP Morgan.
Amex, American Express,
next to Ascot and
Ascot
Info.
Lagundi. Mukhang uulan nga kasi
Yep, it's starting to pour na, guys.
nawala na yung mga tao dun sa
If you
middle.
guys can notice, basa na yung floor, yung surface dun. So
Ayan o.
it's raining na.
Medyo basa na. Tapos nakapayong na yung mga
Yeah.
naglalakad. Window.
Over there is Seda.
Yeah. Diretso mo yan.
Yeah, that's the parking that we always use.
Yung gym, 6th floor. Gym ng BGC sa akin. Shoot ah.
Naka-video na. Oh my. Brick by brick. He's building a house right now. Oh yes, let's go.
Nasaan ba? Eh kung sa pool tayo. Maybe a restaurant. Huh. Oh, it's raining. It's raining pa. Dito tayo sa pool area. Hindi tayo doon. Ito natin. Maambon lang naman eh. So, merong resto dito, Samba.
Rich people dinner.
And the new room natin, oh. Sa taas. Nag-shoot around kami sa 8th floor. Nag-shoot around kami sa 6 sa may gym, may basketball court doon eh. Yun, oh. Actually, pwede na tayo mag-swimming ngayon eh.
Pwede ko mo.
Kaya nga. Pwede ka na mag-swimming eh. Ito kami sa pool area ng Siang BGC. Daw, angas.
Oh yeah. The water is filled to the brim.
Parang sarap na mag-swimming, oh. Bukas na lang kami. Morning. Ayan, lumalakas na naman po ang ulan, mga kaibigan. Lumalakas na naman po ang ulan, mga kababayan.
Yes. Stay safe po tayo yan. Stay safe.
Malakas na naman po, mga kababayan. Kung may pakidlat pa, mga kababayan. Saan tayo? Ground? Baba tayo sa lobby?
Unless we want to buy food now, because that's the only thing left for us. If we don't, we're gonna have to go back inside.
Umuulan pa. Baka ako na lang bumili ng food.
Sure.
Oh.
I can go there.
Yun. So, akyat ka muna. Baka tanong natin si Mami. Stop.
Anong floor?
18. No, 18th floor tayo.
18.
Isa pa. 8 lang ata yung pinindot mo.
Ay.
Okay, again. Sige, tap ka ulit. Tap. 18.
18? Ano ba? 18 or 8?
18th floor.
You said 8.
Saan ka pupunta sa 8? Nasa 8 na tayo. Galing na tayo ng 8. So, magbabay kami ng food. Siyempre, nandito kami sa Tropical at favorite namin kasi pagkain dito. Napaka-underrated, siyempre. May nostalgia na kasama. Sarap. Pinoy na Pinoy ang pagkain natin dito. 8:23. So, napasarap kami ng tulog. Yung hapon, nagising na kami 6 or 7. Tapos, bumili na kami ng food dito. Kain muna tayo. Yung view natin sa labas. Napaka-angas. Ang bangus. Shanghai dinuguan. Yung Hawaiian D burger ng anak ko. Favorite niya yung burger ng...
Dalawa? As in dalawang Hawaiian burger?
Dalawang burger.
Hawaiian D?
Yep. Walang free, wala yung coffee. So, ayun sa'yo. Ayun sa akin eh. So, kain muna tayo. Oh, bagong gising Disney princess. Oh. Magang-magaan mo ka. Oh. Sana all. Sleeping time. Nood ka pa ng ano? Pampantok mo?
Hindi na.
SpongeBob.
Hindi na.
Nagre-reflect yung ilaw. I'll have to close the window. Staycation. Me? 2 buttons. Tulog na sila. Magin ako. Tulog na din ako. Sarado natin itong curtain.
Tap natin yan ha. And then, eating now?
Hindi.
Hi!
18.
Mamaya punta tayo sa... Ito?
Gym ka?
Hindi, asan yung pool?
8. Lagi ako dito, alam ko to.
Ay, wow. Kung lang.
Base ng LF dito. Kanan. Ay. Lagi ka nandito eh. So, hindi dyan. Sa kabila. Meron pa yung baby boy. Tulog. Sarap ng tulog ng baby. Morning. Morning guys. Uy, meron nang nakatambay sa pool. Mukhang may bagyo nga talaga. Tingnan niyo yung langit. Today is November 11. So, second day. Yes, sir.
Na-video ba natin kanina? Bumaba tayo? Bumaba kasi kami kanina mga 4 AM. Kumain kami dun sa may tropical hut. Na halos katabi lang ng Mercury along 32nd Avenue. It's like a 5-minute walk from Shangri-La, the fort. So, ayun. 6:45 na. And 7 AM nag-open yung pool. So, breakfast muna siya bago kami pumunta dun sa baba. I'm not sure kung... Yan. Bago kami mag-swimming. Ah, ito yung female changing room. Ay, mag-change muna kayo.
Hindi, upo muna. Hantayin ka namin.
Ah. Morning po. Doon tayo sa may ano, Dad. Sa may table o kasi yung coffee.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, ito pwede naman pala.
Ayun, may nilagay. Yung isang bata dyan walang pasok kasi suspended ang class. So, nasaktuhan, hindi gumawa pa kami ng excuse letter pero hindi nagagamitin. Ang galing niya umabsent eh, laging tapat eh. So, chill muna kami dito sa gilid. Habang nag-aantay ng bumili ng coffee si Mami sa baba, sa bakehouse. And some pastries. Yes, nakabili na. Adik sa kape. You car, do it.
You car? Gusto na nag-ice cream.
Mas masarap?
Hindi.
Pakuluan na yung bulalo, malambot na. Wala siyang wala siyang volume.
Sa kabila meron?
Ang lakas talaga. Walaan, malambot bago supasok, bago sumayaw.
Parang ang sarap naman dyan.
I'm so uncomfortable.
Bakit?
Sarap dito. Ang pinapakuluan talaga. Kutsara na lang, saka palito.
Palito? Ba't may palito?
Press mo lang, just stop.
That's what? Where are you from? What do you do there?
Sarap yan. Anak, tiran mo ako Nutella. Oh wow, feel na feel.
Mahal.
So, ito yung female changing room if ever na gusto nyong mag-change dyan. Pero, tinanong ko kanina, ay, oo, merong dito.
For kids.
For kids. Pero tinanong ko kanina, pwede naman daw umakyat ng nakaganto, nakabasa. Siguro as long as hindi ka naman tumutulog or what. Anak, pakikuha yung keycard. Yan.
And the snow outside is glistening. Outside is
Alright, and then syempre, itap mo muna yung keycard mo and then yung floor. Alright. Yay! Front look yan. Alright, so we're here sa ating floor. It's 9 AM. So let's get ready. Huh? Tagal ni Daddy. Ay, wow! Paano? Ang gag.
so foolish. No, let me take a
So, parang itim ko dito.
Kaya nga eh.
Punasan natin yung camera. Ayun, maputi na ako. Sinisiling yung camera. Okay. Naka-against the light. Yes.
Alright, make sure walang naiwan. Dati. Okay. Last check sa CR. Wala naman.
Napakaganda ng CR.
Okay. Let's go.
Kukunin na tayo.
Hindi. Okay
Pagdating mo yan dito.
Oo, nandiyan na yan. Let's go. Bye for now, Shangri-La. Tama na nga.
Sabi mo na. Can you say? Feeling rich? Sobrang angas.
It's luxurious.
The
here.
stay
It's really nice. Everything's nice here. Everything's in order. Yeah, everything's great. I like it. I think this is. It has been a while since I've experienced something, you know, this nice, something this cool. I enjoyed my stay. Yeah. I would come back here. Yeah. It'd be nice. It would be cool.
Where's Mom?
She's checking out.
Chicken out.
Yeah, she's checking out so we can finally leave and go our own way.
Uwian na tayo. Uwian na. Uwian na tayo ng parking.
Tapos, ano?
May binigay? GC?
Ayun, don't forget na humingi magpa-validate ng parking
Or parking?
ticket
Okay.
ko.
Para
Hindi mag-pay.
walang payment.
Oo, kasi part yun nung part siya nung
Binayaran.
accommodation.
Uwian na. Sobrang nag-enjoy. Sobrang nakapag-relax talaga. Kasi nung sarap ng mga tulog namin.
Bakit parang after maligo, nung parang masakit sa ulo?
Malamig kasi.
Kaya,
Hindi, sobrang lamig. Mainit yung shower hot ba, tas malamig, magbabago yung temperature. So yun ang isang issue.
or hindi kasi hindi na migraine kasi ako for the past 2 days.
Let's go! Bye guys! No bashi! Ha? May the-drop siguro. May the-drop siguro. Maybe. Parang nakakalungkot, no?
Parang nakakaano. Parang feeling.
Parang ayaw mo na umuwi. Parang ayaw mo na umuwi.
Parang nakakalaw ng feeling ako.
Guys!
Ayun na, that concludes our stay here sa Shangri-La The Fort, EGC. And again, it's for free kasi reward siya ni Tito Red nung nag-top performer siya sa kanilang company. So, ayun, na-experience natin kahit paano mag-social climb, Emerald. Kasi hindi kami fan talaga ng ng staycation unless naka-travel kami ng talaga out of town. So, ayun, sana nabigyan namin kayo ng insights kung ano yung mga nasa loob and ano yung mga pwedeng gawin sa Shangri-La Fort. So, ayun, huwag kakalimutan,
Paa sa lupa, mata sa langit.
Bye for now!
Annyeong!